The day before the trial, the Globe had a banner headline, "Saxe trial begins tomorrow, prosecutor able, tough." I was a potted plant. I was a nobody. I'd been practicing for a very short time. Nobody wanted a woman lawyer. Certainly no one accused of a crime. I was deeply impressed by the symbolism of her request, by the sense that if she believed she would lose, that her life was over. And if this was her only moment on the stage, she wanted it to be true to her values. She would be represented by a very green woman lawyer. So the question is, why didn't I turn Susan down? And I think it was that I knew her, not actually, but I knew who she was. I knew the movement of which she had been a part. I determined that we were probably on the New Haven Common at the same time. She as a demonstrator, I as a legal observer. That the differences between us, although there were many differences in terms of our life paths, I could understand how she wound up where she did and why. All she had was some faith that I would manage to get it together in time for trial. A faith which I didn't completely share, I might add, but it worked.
From News Center 5 at 6.
Outside the courthouse, defense attorney Nancy Gertner, within the limitations of the judge's order, did react to the hung jury.
Well, we're disappointed. We wanted an acquittal, but, this is better than some other possibilities.
Where do you go from here?
We don't know. At this point, we're awaiting the district attorney's response, and there's really not much that I can say because at this point, you see, it's pre-trial publicity again, and we're awaiting a second trial, so I'm not allowed really to comment on anything having to do with the case.
Will you continue to represent Susan Saxe?
So far as I know, yes.